Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome to the Valid channel. Today I'll show you how to edit shortcut icons on your desktop. So let's say you want to edit some shortcut icon. You just right click with your mouse, click on properties, and here we have an option to change the icon. From here, we'll just need to go to the browser, right? ICO files. We search here for ICO files for shortcuts. We go to any site and accordingly we look at what free and other icons are available here. There we go. So we'll need to download it. I downloaded it and here it is. Now we just need to convert PNG to ICO. We go to any converter, drag our file in, convert it, and download it. Here it is. After that, I go back to the shortcut properties, click change icon, click browse for the icon on the computer, go to the folder where I downloaded it, open it and click apply. That's it. Make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. See you.